In today's video, I will be using my quad split cup with Color Hype pre-mixed paints, so stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I hope you all are having a great day. I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and it is on my cake turntable or spinner if you will. The colors that I'm using today are from Color Hype. I've got Deep Sea, I've got Sea Foam, the next one is Gold, and my last color that I'm using today is Sky Blue. And those are all from Color Hype. They are a pre-mixed paint and I am going to be using my quad cup today. I had not tried these pre-mixed paints yet in my cup, so I thought, why not? If you have not heard of Color Hype ready to pour paints, I actually did a review on them a while back, so I do have that video if you're interested in that. It's just a nice paint. If you don't want to mix your own, it's already ready to go. Chelsea is the owner of Color Hype and she is super sweet. She has so many colors to choose from, and her website is paintwithcolorhype.com if you want to go check that out. Her link is in my description and I do have a coupon code in there for you as well, so you could save a little money if you're interested. Alright, so I am just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this, see how this develops. I'm super excited to see how these paints work out in my split cup, and I will be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so here we go with the dried photos and I am super happy with my results. It dried really nice, just a touch darker, but once I get a coat of varnish on it, it will pop right back to life. I am really happy with the design that I got, and these Color Hype paints work really well in my split cup, so I'm super excited about that as well. I would really love to hear what you guys think, so don't forget to leave me a comment comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video, and a great way to help my channel is to share this video. Anybody you think may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. And if you are interested in my split cup, I do have that available in my Etsy shop. The link to that is in my description, so don't forget to check that out. And I do have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I will catch you in the next one.